This is a Yale 3-star KTM cylinder. I've had this one for quite some time and find it almost impossible to pick. The characteristic about this is the width of the keyway, which is huge at the top here. It almost feels like someone's drilled it, but that's perfectly normal. So if these can't be picked, there is another method, and it's using bump keys. So this is a 3-star cylinder, and what I'm going to try and do is bump it open. There we go, 3 taps and the cylinder is picked. It's very tight. This one came off a door a long time ago and was thrown in the box. And I've always wondered what's inside this cylinder. So what I'm going to do is take this apart and we'll see what's inside.